Good morning everyone. My name is Pooja Kumari from grade 2nd C. Here we have come to say few words about parts of the body. Human body is made up to many parts of hormones that work together to sustain in our body. Our body has many external, internal and sensory. Sensory organs are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. External organs are heart, neck, shoulder, hands, leg and etc. Internal organs are brain, heart, liver, lungs and etc. Head is the topmost part of our body. It has brain which control the body. Head is the topmost part of our body. It has brain which control the body. Part of the head includes forehead, eyes, ears, mouth, chin, cheeks. Eyesight is a sense organ. It helps to see beautiful and colorful things in the world. Nose, they sensory organs. We breathe and smell things through our nose. Hair enters our body through the nose. Ear is a sense organ. It helps us to hear different sounds around us. If your ears are working well, you hear sound all the time. You can't switch your ears even when you are asleep. Mouth. It is the beginning of digestive system. Lips, teeth and tongue are the parts of the mouth. Teeth help to chew and drain the food into simpler particles.
Tongue is a sensory organ. It helps us to taste, chew and swallow the food as well as for speech. The taste buds present on the tongue tells the difference between salty, sweet, bitter and sour.